On the subject of the DepEd, we are still looking into it. I think it is contrary to all our policy directions. When we talk about the STEM development of our educational sector, and then to the continuing development, because yung nawala na 10 billion comes from the computerization item. So we're working on it to make sure that we will restore it. I do not want to line item veto anything, because that just gets in the way. So we are still talking about it and trying to find a way, and I think we'll be able to do something. Ayan, that's maybe this is the first thing. Hindi pa buo ang sagot ko. Pero sasabihin ko na sa inyo, tinatrabaho namin yan. At kailangan na kailangan. Hindi, the 12 billion from a regional request of 12 billion to be reduced down to 2. 12 billion is only sufficient to maintain what we are already doing, when in fact we have to do more. So, we have to figure that out. But we are.